Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. Today we're going to do a basic summer salad. It's going to be mango Pico De Gallo. So what it is, you're going to have cucumbers that are going to be diced. These were grown in my... I'm going to cook a corn and on the cob and cut it down so we have corn in it. Pico De Gallo needs to have some delicious cilantro. I just picked this up this morning. You need to have tomatoes. We have the large tomatoes and we have the small tomatoes and we have some jalapeno pepper. One of them is red. You need some lime. So I picked this up at Sprouts today. And you need some red onions, also picked up at Sprouts. And what the key ingredient of this is this delicious mango. I call these champagne mangoes because it's got that like champagne color on it, and it's truly a delicious yellow flesh, and it really adds a lot of flavor. So these are the ingredients of my Pico De Gallo, and I think what you'll do is you'll find them interesting. They're basically local things you have in your refrigerator, cut up in small pieces, diced very small, and then I'll put it all together. It'll just be a very simple, refreshing dinner. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food, plant-based lifestyle.
What does Pico De Gallo mean? Beak of rooster. Some believe this is because it was originally eaten by pinching between the thumb and finger, making the shape of a rooster's beak. Pico De Gallo, however, has nothing to do with roosters or birds in general. Pico De Gallo, or Salsa Fresca, is made with raw, fresh vegetables. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cook corn. This is corn on the cob. And I'm going to microwave it so that it's all ready for tonight's dinner. And usually when I take away all the silk off and then I cook it on a plate in the microwave for 5 minutes. So we're going to set this up next. Alright, so we're taking our corn, and what I do is I use a plate with a little bit of water and I cook it for about 5 minutes. While that gets started, we're going to clean up the mess from the corn, and we're going to start chopping. Alright, so now that the corn is taken care of and the cucumber, the next part is going to be the tomatoes. So that's basically it. You just use your local ingredients, your tomatoes, your cilantro, your lime juice. I mean, you can go even more complicated, like I added corn to it. And then you could pour, I really like cucumbers, I wanted to add more of those, so I put in an entire giant cucumber. You mix it all up and then you serve it that way. You don't have to go into elaborate sauces or anything like that. It tastes wonderful and nothing is wasted. And it makes a very nice and simple dinner salad. Let me show you. You could serve it in a bowl like this. And you can watch me eat it. Now, because I'm the only one who's going to be eating this salad, the chunks are much bigger than what you normally buy it if you buy this at the store. But all the ingredients fuse in together and you don't need an elaborate sauce to go on top of it. If you wanted to, you could add wine vinegar, but it's not needed. This has been like a 100-degree day, another 100-degree day. And this is going to be a refreshing, simple salad to be able to. And that's why I put in the mango, because it kind of helps diffuse that hotness and be able to enjoy your salad better. A quick, easy, fun salad during the summer heat. Guess what? I forgot the onion. Even though it looks delicious, we're going to put the onion to help kind of reduce the heat. Alright, so I made this delicious Pico De Gallo and it is so hot I can barely eat it. Looks like this. So what I did then is I added the other half of the red onion and that toned it down a little bit, and I added 2 more very ripe champagne mangoes. And that did the trick, and it was perfect. Now this is really tasty by itself. I've been working all morning long in the garden. It's now 91 degrees outside. It's hot. And when you're sweating and you want a refresher, this is the perfect salad. It's 100% starch solution on top of that. There's no oil in this. I mean, it has all the fresh ingredients, some of it from my garden, some of it from Sprouts, and it has the lime juice, and that's it. It's so delicious, and with the combination of the champagne mangoes, it just adds that additional sweet flavor to it. I just recommend that you only use 1 of these peppers. These little peppers are so hot, you can't see the flames on top of them, but I'm telling you, they're hot. And I was surprised I made this giant bowl. And even after I added all those extra ingredients, it was still flaming hot. So, if you want it really hot, add more than 1 of these, which is what I did. I added 2. If you want it milder, add half of this, and you'll still have that wonderful flavor without having to pay for it. All right, So thanks a lot for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye-bye now. I'm gonna treat myself to some of my deliciousness.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
It's still pretty hot. Yeah, but the nice thing is some of the mango slices get into it and then it kind of offsets it.